what you're doing and tell you something.
Tell her.
I shaved my legs.
Show her them.
Well, but I didn't technically shave my legs, but it was just some lotion where it removed my hair from my legs, and I shaved my back. And what was it called?
Nair.
Nair. And it helped a lot. My legs are smooth because it was lotion. That it made it came off. That's it. Bye, Grandson. I love you.